dear listeners and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am going to discuss with you MDCAT past paper 2001 only English part. In this, you see, select the lettered word or the set of words that best complete the sentence, like fill in the blanks. And this number one is because of the dash and prolonged nature of the dash, water must be carefully conserved and rationed. In that, the correct option is negligent and emergency. Because of the negligent or and prolonged what nature of the emergency, water must be carefully conserved and rationed. The others are not correct, but here, which is as per its book, this book, the correct option is negligent and emergency. Number second is generally fundraising parties are quite labor intensive and not very cost effective. In other words, putting in a great deal of dash does not mean you will dash a great deal of income. For this, there are four options. There are four options. Restrain and obtain. The correct option is A also, the restraint and obtain. The rest are not correct. The next question is choose the lettered pair of words that is lettered in the same way as the pair in capital letters. Like it is a pair of the words like writer and novelist, scientist and astronomer, teacher and student, physician and patient, poet and searcher. Here would be the correct option worker and exertion. And this number 4 is cow and cough. Here you see cow and cough. So the correct option will be horse and mule, hog and pork and sheep and lamb, tiger and strip, ram and ape. So the correct option is horse and mule in this. Now coming to the error detections, which I have already discussed, but this is since it is in the paper. So again, I will tell you how to find the error and correct the sentence. If there is an error, select one underlined part must be changed to make the sentence correct. Number 5, every one of the shops in the town were closed on Tuesday because of the 10-inch rainfall that had fallen during the day, full stop and no error. So A is were closed and B is because C is 10-inch and had fallen and here no error. In this, the error is here in A because everyone, it indicates here everyone means was, not the were, because every one of the shops, yani har ek dukan. So we will write here was, not were, because were is used with the plural. So the error is in A and the correction would be was over here. Raising living costs together with escalating taxes have proved to be burden for everyone and no error. A raising is correct, together B is correct, here would be has, because the raising living cost together with the escalating taxes would be has proved to a burden for everyone. So option C is incorrect and would be has over here. Now change the voice, since if the sentence is active, you will convert into passive. If the sentence is in passive, you will convert into active. So he is not asking questions. This is present continuous tense. He is a subject, asking is verb, and questions or object. As per procedure and rule, first we take questions, and since it is present continuous, we use being. Questions is a plural. Questions are not being asked by him would be the correct. Not asking question he is incorrect because by is not there and third form is not given. Questions are not asked by him is also not correct because being is not there. Not asking questions is what he is doing, it is also incorrect. So the correct option is C. What the crimes confessed by the criminals? Since it is passive, we will convert into active. This after by is the subject, and since it is interrogative, so it is past. So did the criminals confess to the crimes? So the correct option would be D over here. Was confession by the criminal made? Were the crimes committed confessed by the criminals? Were the criminals confessing to the crimes? Did the criminals confess to the crimes? So this, you know, is right option over here. And then change the voice in direct speech here. The next is, it is narration. Number 9 is Anila said, comma and inverted commas begin. Shahana is not doing work properly. And this is present continuous tense, and since reporting verb is in past, there is no object. So the Anila said that Shahana was not doing her work properly is correct over here. Say will not be here because Anila say, since it is said, so it is incorrect. Here is also did not do, it is also incorrect. And she is not doing is also incorrect because the present continuous will be in past continuous tense. The 10th one is Fahd said all that glitters is not gold. It is a proverb and the saying, it is a fact. Just we will add here that all other will be as it is. So the Fahad said that all that glitters is not gold. A option is correct. So dear, this was about the MDCAT past papers of 2002, which I have discussed on the English part, and I hope that you will learn a lot from this. Thank you for listening. Asuduram Mirpumathelo.